Okay, I know I'm in trouble. I have not given another bale of hay today. I am a bad friend, aren't I? I know, I'm sorry. I am sorry. Hi, Billy. I know you. Go Miles, you gonna push your way over? Let's see. We'll see how bad the sheep are gonna yell at me. They're the real test. Hello? How is everybody? Bet you guys wouldn't be disappointed with the bale of hay, would you? Yeah, I can tell it's empty. Really going out the wrong way. I am distracted tonight. Tired and distracted, and this is just egg collect. It's not even bedtime. Oh well. Wah. Hello, Sassy. Not Sassy. Cece. Close. Hey, everybody. Very nice to not be run over. I have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Hi, everybody. How we all doing? Hi, Etta. Well, and of course, Billy. There y'all go. That should calm down one level of egg collect. Hi, everybody. Let me pay you guys off too. Hello. Let's jump down. Back, back, and back. Back, 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 back. Oh, great. Get your leg out of there. Thank you. No jumping. Let's go outside. There we go. All right. How you doing, little buddy? Hi. How's Peppy? How you doing, sweetheart? Hi, Soka. Hi, Nerda. Fergus. And little Mac. Hi, everyone. Relatively clean. Gross. Okay. think I just put duck in there. I got a chicken bucket going here. Not a lot, and there was a broken one. They flat out ate one up there this morning. Okay. Huh. Let's take a look at Kevin. Let's see what we can see. Came out earlier and took Kevin down because Kevin had not come down off the roost. So we opened it up. Let me not be scary if I can open it quietly. Let's see how we're doing in here. Where's that turkey? Not up there. It's a couple of ones from last night hiding behind the door, but can't save them all. At least they all made it down. They're all standing right there, but okay, that's a step up. And there you are, Kevin. That is definitely a step up for you all. Well done. I'm proud of you. I will be back after these messages. I better put that ramp up too. There's some chickens who don't know how to go to bed. Nobody's in bed yet. Oh, should I go out of order? Should I collect in here first? Hell, I'm halfway there. Let's do it. Sacrilege. This is really going to screw me up. I can sneak in here, and then I'm going to have to go out there and throw out scratch. What? All right, why not? I'll come back in here for one final square up after I look at everything else. So I don't think any of those are clean enough to call good. So I think that's 5. That will be just fine to wash. I don't need gloves. Oh, did I chase you out when I opened the door? Was that it? Whatever it is, you guys probably need more water there. Okay, well, goodness. So we're starting with 6 and 1 broken. How we doing? You got your golf ball? 6 with 1 broken. You got a golf ball and nothing else. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. I think I want to wash that one anyway. That one seems okay. This is very crowded in here. 10, 11. Yuck. I see the problem. 12. Yeah, I see the problem. 13. Yeah, weasels. 2 broken. 13 with 2 broken. 14, 15. 16. Oh my! 17, another broken one. Good grief. 18, 19, 20. There's some clean ones at least. What do you have? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, that was a bunch, 26, 27, 28, 29. We're gonna go throw that in the trash. 29, is there anything else on the ground? I'll check when I get back. 29. Uh-huh. 3031. Where the hell did I put him? I left him with the chickens. Doing things backwards. There's a challenge. Okay, 31 with 3 broken. I think there's 3 broken. Not impressed. Enjoy your golf ball. Kev, where are you? What if I move everybody forward here? If I kind of push you out. You gonna be brave and go see the world? Is this exciting for you? Okay, where's Kevin? Well, hi, Kevin. You okay? Kevin, you wanted space to walk around. So don't grouch at me, sweetheart. How you doing? Can I say hi? Not feeling it right now, huh, Kevin? Fair enough. Look, I have a lot fewer goats out here if I do it this way. Who was that? That's our first guy. That was our very first rooster. Or not very first, but he was the one who was over here before we gave him 3 more to contend with. I brought the goats. See, Miles, when you stand up there and you're rude, I'm gonna walk away. Guess I should put something up here by where these folks are, huh? That'd only be nice. We had 6 duck eggs. One was very clearly eaten this morning. I think there was just a little more chaos in that chicken coop. Speaking of which, it'd actually be nice to remember how many I have here. Let's count one last time for Gen Pop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Plus 3 is 31. Plus 6. Let's record that. Six. 31. That is a lame-o number. Broken chicken. 3. Broken duck. 1. Alright. Need to bring those in with us. I would be very surprised to find a duck egg in there. How's our new rooster doing? Where are you, dude? I don't see ya. He stands out, that's for sure. He's out of the chicken coop. Is he out of the chicken coop, or is that a rooster from over there? That is a rooster from over there, because I think I put a white one over here. Huh. Where's that the one? I'm losing my mind. Oh, and you guys want scratch. I am so sorry. I am missing my part. I am just really... Don't stay up late. It doesn't really pay off. That's good enough. I think I heard a crow from inside the coop. All right. Here we go. Looking nice. Oh, broken. Five is pretty good here. Woo! 6, 7, 8. Big numbers. And clean. Nice. 9. That's a little dirty. Oh wait, that was 8. Right? It was 8. What a day. I'm going forward believing that was 8. 9, 10. Hello there. 11, 12. 13, 14. 15. All the way back. Is that it? 16. Is that it? I think so. 16, thank you. Excuse me. Chicken. $17, $18. $19. There you are. $20. $21. $22. $23, $24. 25, 26, 27, 28. Huh. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Five, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Yeah, look at that. One 42. Thank you. Four, 45. I think I landed at 45. I'm gonna double check myself on video later. Okay. High. 46, 47. Oh, it's really 47. That's a pretty reasonable day. 48. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. What is that? $48. My goodness. If it's really 48, I'll double check. Mm. 48, and I had one broken. I will be back, as long as I'm still awake. All right. What's that, 48 and 31? And 6. And a bunny. One more look at Kevin. Okie doke. You guys finish up the scratch there? Let's see, do I see Kevin out? Yeah, I see a lot of those littler, newer chickens out here. Lola, enough. Lola, hush. All right, everybody, we'll be back for bedtime.